Great fun for children of all ages, from the baby pool to the whitewater slide and the giant slides. The single/double bobsleigh rides have it all. A whirlpool and sauna round out the program perfectly. Dive into a world of splashing fun and thrilling water adventures at Plopsaqua De Panne, the ultimate water amusement park located next to Plopsaland De Panne. With over 15 exciting water attractions, it's the perfect destination for visitors of all ages. Embark on adrenaline-filled rides like the Sky Drop, Wild River, and Disco Slide, or let little adventurers explore Wickie's Play Village and de Glijmende Banden. For those seeking relaxation, unwind in the serene sauna, soak in the bubble tubs, or enjoy the sandy oasis of Wickie Beach. Plopsaqua De Panne offers something for everyone, whether it's thrilling slides, adventurous rivers, or tranquil spaces to recharge. It's the ideal spot to make unforgettable memories with family and friends.